If you've locked your DoorDash card and need to unlock it, follow these simple steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu button, usually located in the top corner of the app. From the drop-down menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Find payment methods. In Account Settings, look for the Payment Method option. This section will display your linked payment options, including your DoorDash card. Step 4. Unlock your card. Locate your locked DoorDash card in the Payment Methods list. There should be an option to unlock it. Tap on the Unlock button and follow any prompts to confirm the action. Step 5. Confirmation. After unlocking, you should receive a confirmation message within the app. Check your payment methods again to ensure that your card is now active and ready for use. By following these steps, you can easily unlock your DoorDash card and continue enjoying your delivery services. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to DoorDash support for further assistance.